Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here a new smartwatch. Okay, it is a popular, affordable smartwatch, the ZL54C Smartwatch. Okay, so as you can see here, it is a simple minimalist smartwatch with features for Bluetooth call, push notifications, okay, activity monitoring, alarm clock. Okay, so here remote control for photos, sleep monitoring, steps and calories. Okay, so this is a ZL54C. Okay, so we are going to check on the specs and features of this wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the ZL54C smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's have the unboxing of the ZL54C smartwatch. So let's check out the contents. So we have here our smartwatch. Okay, beautiful color here. Okay, and what are the contents? So we have the USB, so it is a magnetic charging cable, and we have the user manual, and I think it's available in English also and Chinese language. Okay, so let's check. So we have here some general info and specifications, general information. So we have the QR code here. So what's the support for this one? So it is not stated here, but we do have the QR code. Okay, we'll scan it later and check. So we have here some instructions on how to operate your smartwatch, and as you can see here, it is touchscreen support. So it has a blood pressure also. Okay, so that's it. The contents are, again, we have the user manual, the charging cable, and we have the smartwatch with the strap already attached to it. Okay, so for the body here, so let's check. Okay, so it is a PC material here. We have the specs. So ABS plus PC, okay, shell or PC plastic shell. Okay, we have anti-static silicone strap. So it weighs around 36 grams. So let's check. Let's check on the weight. Again, this is the ZL54C Smartwatch. Okay. So we have here the weighing scale. 0, let's put this in a proper place so we can. So 36. Okay, so 36 grams, as you can see here. So 36 grams. So we have here 36.12. Okay, so it's a very lightweight smartwatch, I think, with a medium size body frame. Let's check. So what's the size of the body frame here of the ZL54C? So it is around 42 millimeter. Okay, for the width here, that's the length, 42. For the width, we have 40. Oh, 35, I think. 35, yes. It's 35. So 35 by 40 something. 42. Then, for the thickness without the heart rate monitoring, we have 9.0. So very slim smartwatch, as well as it is also lightweight. Okay, so this is the ZL54C. Okay, so far it looks simple, looks okay, looks decent, and it is available in different color options. Okay, for the specs, let's check. Okay, let's remove this first so you can see the border. So this is the power button, long press. Let's see, we still have a battery life. We have battery. Okay, so there's no battery anymore. Let's charge it, okay, in just a few seconds so we can see the screen display. Okay, so we charge the smartwatch, as you can see here. Okay, it's still charging and it's not fully charged battery, but still, okay, at least we can see some of the watch faces and menus of this wearable. Okay, so let's change it so we can see the border. Okay, so we have a decent size for the black border here. It also sort of a bezel. Okay, so for the specs, let's check. So the screen display is 1.83 inch TFT LCD with a 240 by 284 pixel resolution. Okay, so the processor is RTL 8763EWE, and we have an ABS plus PC plastic shell, as you can see here. Okay, so anti-static silicone strap, okay, with a steel buckle here. We have 230 mAh battery with 5 to 7 days battery life, and it is compatible with a iOS 9.0 and above, Android 5.0 and above. Okay, so let's have a sneak preview of the menus and features of the ZL54C Smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the cards, the menus. On the bottom part we have the notifications. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing, okay, review of specs and design of the 5L5 or the ZL54C Smartwatch. Again, this is the ZL54C Smartwatch. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the design, okay, of this smartwatch. So we have here the quick release pin. We have a PC material. We have a power button here. I don't know if this is rotary. No, it's not. Okay, so far it looks okay. It looks decent. We do have a good screen size and resolution. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the unboxing of the ZL54C Smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.